Hello, hello. So I ordered from the Black Friday sale from Elf Cosmetics, and this is what I got: the Dirty Pillows lip kit by Jennifer Coolidge, or as she calls her, Stifler's mom. And so it came with this swollen lip gloss, Dirty Pillows lipstick, Frontal lip liner, and a little tiny like mirror thing, and it says, what does it say? Lips are the mirror to your soul. So pretty cute. And it says, I didn't think this would look so good, so I'm gonna try it on for you guys. I have nothing on my lips right now, so I'm just gonna start with the Frontal Cream Glide Lip Liner. I don't know if it's... Oh yeah. That's pretty. Okay. And it says Dirty Pillows on the side there. And that's how it looks. It has the little elf emblem etched onto the lipstick. And so it's pretty light. So the lip liner is a neutral brown, and the lipstick is a rosy pink. Yeah, rosy pink. And the swollen lip gloss is a creamy pink. Creamy light pink is what it said on the website. So I'm just gonna get a bunch on there. Oops. I don't usually mess up my applicator. This is like the first applicator that I've messed up in my entire life. Oh well. Okay, because I usually take out a bunch on the applicator and then I dab it onto the lip. Like I kind of just plop it on without pressing it into my lip, so it doesn't mess up the applicator, because when you mess up the applicator, you can put that color into the lip gloss and change the color of the lip gloss. So I'm usually careful, but today, not so careful. So this is with the swollen lip gloss, and I really like it. I think it suits me. It's kind of more yellow or more warm than I would naturally go for, but I actually really like it. I could totally see myself wearing this. I might actually zhuzh it up with like a more like pinky fuchsia lip gloss just right in the middle. So I'm gonna use a Fenty Pink Dragonfly, I think it's called. Yeah, gloss balm, and I just grabbed a scoop of it, and this is what I usually do. I just dab it so that I'm not meshing my lipstick into the gloss, and then smush it in, because it adds a little bit more pink to the color and makes it less yellow. Might need a little bit more, but yeah, that's how I would wear it. I might even grab Riri instead and put that in the middle, the Riri Gloss Bomb, because that's a little more pigmented than Pink Dragonfly, I think. This is pink dragonfly. Yeah. And Riri is more fuchsia. More of a fuchsia color, so I would do that. Cute. I like it a lot. And outfit. Oh, you know what? I think that swollen lip gloss is Plumping because my lips are on fire. And yeah, Elf is one of the more affordable brands, so you could get a whole cute lip look for less. Cute! Okay, so I got the lip liner, Frontal, the neutral pink, and then the Dirty Pillows lipstick, the O Face lipstick, and that's a rosy pink, and then the swollen lip gloss, which is a light creamy pink. Awesome! Do you like it? Otis approves.